In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily share a link on WhatsApp. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up WhatsApp app, then go to chats. And then let's say you would like to share your WhatsApp group chat link. To do that, go to group chat, tap right here at the very top, scroll down and tap at invite to group via link. That's where we can easily copy link to our group, just like that, to the clipboard, and then we can go to some conversation. I'm just gonna open up a conversation with myself. Then in this way I can paste that link. If you would like to share someone's contact data on WhatsApp, let's say I want to send this contact to someone on WhatsApp, I can just tap right here, scroll down, tap at share contact. That will open up my contacts book, and then I can check mark those persons whom I want to share this contact with. We can check mark multiple persons and then tap at share, then share again. What that will do, that will share this contact with all the users we have selected in this way. If you would like to share our own profile link to someone, unfortunately we can't copy the link from WhatsApp because there is no such feature. However, we can generate this link easily right from conversation, so we can open up any conversation. And if we would like to send the link to our profile, we need to enter wa.me, then /, and then just enter your phone number or a phone number of person whose profile you would like to share. Just like that. Once you've done that, tap at send. If any user tap at that link, they will be redirected to a conversation with you. That's how you can easily share WhatsApp link.